developed an automatic hand washer to help contain the spread of the coronavirus pandemic. The West African nation has registered over 100,000 coronavirus cases, according to the country's Centers for Disease Control. The newly built hand washing machines are distributed at different public places, which is highly welcomed by Nigerians. Here's more details of that in this report.
40-year-old engineer William Gang is building his 6th automatic disinfectant hand washing machine. The machine has a sensor that dispenses liquid soap and water and carries out temperature checks without any touch by the user. It also has an alarm system that beeps once a person's temperature exceeds 40 degrees Celsius.
We also want to contribute, just like the doctors are putting effort to curtail the virus. So we felt we, as engineers too, we can also play a role. And then also, if we can able to get support from much more capital from the government, and then so that we can able to do more and establish an industry, so that we can even train the young coming youth, so that we can create job opportunity.
In major cities in Nigeria, like Lagos and Abuja, government and private offices, including shop centers, have invested a lot of money to import automatic disinfectant chambers to ensure COVID-19 protocols are followed while accessing buildings. But in smaller cities like Jos, where there are limited resources, a bucket of water, soap and a bottle of sanitizer are placed outside public places, but the method has not been very effective. The Nigerian Center for Disease Control says there have been over 160,000 cases of COVID-19 in the country, with over 2,000 deaths. William Yang says he was inspired to construct the machine to try and help the fight against spread of COVID-19. It can be operated using solar energy as well as electricity. Yang distributes the machines to government hospitals and other public places for less than half the price of imported ones. Some Nigerians who have used the machine say it's a welcome development.
The most important about this aspect of this machine is it's locally fabricated in Jos, and the technician handling it is easily accessible in case of technical malfunctioning.
Yang is now building a team of young apprentices to build more machines for the local and export markets. The Nigerian government has pledged nearly $300 million to invest in the health sector to boost innovations and expand its response to tackling COVID-19. The hope is that people like Yang will benefit from such funds to help reduce transmission figures of the disease through their inventions.
The efforts to contain the COVID-19 pandemic continues, and from the report in Nigeria, we